Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got ModelOnes Gel Polish 8057, Cheeky Jumbo Plate 10, SheModern Pearl Neon Yellow Sticky, and Yellow Lemon Metallic Pearl Dust. That's a mouthful. I've got my nail tips on. These are the Painted Desert Short Square Nails. And I am applying some of the GERmanikure gel base. I'm going to pop it under the lamp for 60 seconds. I'll be using this baby looking little ModelOnes. It's 8057, beautiful hot pink. Need some hot pink in my life today. Feeling it, loving it. And I don't wear gel polish much, so, you know, it's just one of those things. I prefer regular polish. But, you know, every once in a while I get out of my zone. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds and then do my second coat. And, ooh, we got a little bit of a mess on the skin here. Gonna get my acetone. You could use alcohol to clean this up, but I've already got my cleanup dish out. And then I'm gonna cure that again for 60 seconds. And do a third coat. Glad this stuff, when it's dry, it's dry. When you cure it, it's done. That is one thing I do love about gel polish. You can do it, bap it under that lamp, and then, you know, go take a bath, wash dishes, scrub floors. You can do anything you want to do because that stuff is done. It is cleaned up and dry. But you definitely want to get it off your skin before you cure. You can see I'm doing a very serious job of that. I'm going to cure that again for 60 more seconds. And I'll be using this iGel top coat. I know, a mix and a matching, but, you know, what I found, what's working, what I got in my tub, what I ran across first. So I did cap my free edge with that. And I am going to hop in here with my cleanup brush and just go around to make sure I don't have any on my skin. And even up under there. Yes, indeed. And once again, 60 seconds under the lamp. Alright, so I am cleaning these off with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe. And we're going to get that all cleaned up because we've got some more playing to do. Alright, so there it is on its own. And I'll be using Cheeky Jumbo Plate 10. This is the Happy Nails plate. And I've got out my Jelly Stamper from SheModern. Pearl Yellow Sticky Stampin' Polish, and Shimmer Yellow Lemon Dust. That's just what I'm going to call it, you know. And I love that you don't have to work fast on these sticky stamping polishes. Wish this stuff had been out back when I first got into stamping. I mean, for real. Huge. It would have made a huge difference. Alright, so I'm cleaning my stamper off on a lint roller. And we're going to clean that plate off with some acetone because I have plenty of time here. In fact, you need to take your time. Oh, I've decided I'm not going to dust yet. Let's get some more of this off of my skin because then that way I don't have to clean that up. Yep, that's what we're doing. We even got the tape out and did it. And now I'm going to go around with my little cleanup brush because you do not have to be in a big fire hurry to get to the next step. In fact, you have to slow your roll. Something I had to learn again. So I'm just tapping the bottom and it dispenses a little bit out on my nail. And this is my preferred method. You can do it your way. And I'm tapping it in and I'm going to leave it sitting on that nail while I go on to do the other nails. I do try to clean my finger off a little bit on my lint roller. I'm not worried that stuff's going to wash off when I go to wash my hands later. And we're going to do another one. I just needed some bright summer nails. I have not really worn just a ton of neons this summer, and I don't know why. Ooh, sorry about that light. Woo! Blaring off that stamper. Again, we're going to do our cleanup. Going to clean up around the nail, clean the stamper off, and you know, just get down to this business of cleaning it up before we get even more messy stuff on it. But there we go. Got my little cleanup brush going around the edges real quick. I just find it easier to clean up, you know, just the polish on its own without it being the polish and the pigment powder. That's what it's called, not dust. Pigment powder. Come on, girl. And now we go back to tapping the bottom of the bottle to get that product to come out. And tap, tap, tap. A lot of people like to rub this onto their stamper, like an old stamper, and then apply it. Not so much for me. I like this way. But you can do it what works for you, what feels better for you, because that's what I do, you know. But maybe for somebody that's never seen this process, seeing how I do it might help them. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. So we're going to do one more. I am going to leave 2 nails with no design on it. And I know you've got to be shocked because that's, you know, not normal. I normally do all of them. I'm trying to behave. I do try to be good sometimes. Going around with that tape, getting up that excess. And here we go with our final cleanup on this before we go to the dusting of that lemon color. I loved that. When I saw that, I knew what I wanted to do. I wanted to play with that lemon shade. And I'm sorry, but yellow and pink just look good to me. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Oh, my finger was sticking to the sticky polish that was on the paper towel. Oopsies. So I'm going to let those dry for just a couple of minutes, and I do start with the first one I did to dust them off with my little dust brush here. And then back in with my cleanup. And boy, I drowned that finger in some acetone, didn't I? Ah, it's okay. I got some cuticle oil. We'll put some cuticle oil on it later. I normally don't leave that much acetone in the brush, though. I normally tap it on my paper towel. But with this being powdery fine, I'm just going crazy with it. Alright, so I'm going to top these with the Maniology Smudge-Free Top Coat. Get them all sealed in without smearing them. I did let that dry for a little bit. And now I'm going to top them with my Poshe Top Coat. And this is going to finish this one off for me. Do love a squishy manicure. Shiny, squishy manicure. Alright, cap that free edge there. And we got to get that little edge on the side. I almost missed it. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and go over the other nail. I know it has a gel top coat on it, but y'all's girl, she's kind of silly. She's got to just take it one extra step, you know. Just feel the need to do this, so just bear with me. You don't have to do it this way. Alrighty, here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.